Hey DIY lovers! Today we have some amazing hacks on how to repurpose old clothes. No more throwing out old clothes. Just use these tips to make the most out of them. Like this one, creating a very stylish pattern to make a pillow. Don't you guys just love them? We're not done with pillows just yet. For this one, using old jeans and creating diamond shapes. Sew it all together and fill it with cotton. Voila! Super stylish pillow! Of course, we're gonna show you how to make this super easy and beautiful face mask. Choose your fabric and cut it into a circle, and then fold it into a triangle and cut the edge. Now time to sew and attach the elastic on the sides. Want a new bag that stands out? Easy! Take an old shirt and make a cut along the arm side. Now sew the bottom and here you go! So unique! Moving on, the next stylish bag you can make out of old jeans. Just follow the steps on the video and you'll have the cutest bag ever. Using different patterns to make the bag stand out. This bag is so unique. We love it! We live for these jeans makeovers. What do you guys think about them? What's better than repurposing your favorite clothes into new and fashionable pieces? This pattern is so perfect for a pillow. We are loving it! We just can't get enough of these pillows. What better way to make your house more colorful than with your favorite pieces? What do you guys think? Are you gonna try these hacks with your old clothes? We know we are! These makeovers are so unique and easy. Mixing different patterns together always make the best result. Such special bag, definitely one of a kind. These hacks are definitely worth trying. Do you guys agree?
Ever been in a situation where you needed some useful tips to help you? You have come to the right place. Broken zipper? Say no more. All you need is a straw to help you fix it. You can also try to fix it with this fork hack. Here is a useful tip you can try. Although winter is a beautiful season, car owners know the real struggle they have to face every morning when their glass is frozen. A beautiful hack for you to try. Cooking a fish in the kitchen can sometimes be messy, but not when you use hack. It's super easy. Here is a bathroom organizer for you to try. Who would have thought that you can make a small holder out of a bottle cap? A A small organizer like this to give your table a beautiful look. Cut out a small piece of a straw to get your shoelace in function again. We love these useful tips ideas. What about you guys? On to the next idea. If you're cooking and you want to leave your kitchen all clean with no stain, use this hack. This hack prevents you from getting any finger injuries while slicing. Perfect way to put shampoo on your sponge. Carton to help us make sock organizer.